Hello, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to discuss the difference of two squares with you. Many students every now and then come across the concept difference of two squares, but they don't actually understand what this difference of two squares is all about. Take for instance, you have something like a squared minus b squared. We observe here clearly that negative sign is linked with difference because difference between two numbers is just the answer you will get when you must have subtracted the smaller from the bigger or the bigger from the smaller. That's the difference. Okay, so when you have a squared minus b squared, you know that this negative side is synonymous to difference, and this is a square and this is a square. So how many squares are we seeing here? Two. That is why we call it difference of two squares. So whenever you meet two numbers having a power of 2 and they are linked with a negative sign, it is difference of two squares. I want you to also note down clearly here that x squared plus y squared is not a difference of two squares because the sign here is plus. This one is sum of two squares. Okay, and the sum of two squares cannot be simplified further. Okay, but provided that it is a difference of two squares, it is very simple to simplify them. Okay, now when you have a squared minus b squared, the answer is just form two brackets like I'm doing. The letters you are having here are a and b, a and b. One bracket can be plus, the other can be minus. There is no rule that says that you must start with plus first. You can actually start with minus before you get to plus. Nobody penalizes you for this. They are the same result. Okay, so you can put plus here and put minus here, provided that you're having a and b in both brackets. You want to check if this is actually correct, you can open this bracket. You will find out that you will still get a squared minus b squared. Okay, so now if I want to open this bracket now, the first item in this bracket is a. It will go into the second bracket, a minus b. The next item is plus b. It will also go into a minus b. Look at what I did here. The first item must multiply the second bracket, while the second item or the second letter here will also multiply the second bracket, everything in the bracket. That was why I called it a multiplying a minus b and plus b multiplying a minus b also. Now to expand a bracket, any term inside the bracket, outside the bracket must go into every term inside the bracket. We have to distribute a into a minus b. Now a times a will give us a squared, and a times minus b will give us minus ab. B times a will give us plus ab, and b times minus b will give us minus b squared. You have now seen here that minus ab plus ab has cancelled out because they are equal. Minus ab plus ab is 0. We are left with a squared minus b squared. You have now seen that this term here, or this expression here, is equal to this particular expression. So you've now seen that whenever you have, let's say, x squared minus y squared, it's gonna be x plus y into x minus y. That is what we mean by difference of two squares. With this little thing you've learned now, you can use it to simplify a given expression sharp without wasting time. Let's say in an exam, you come into 19 squared plus 19 squared minus 11 squared, and you don't have calculator. Will you waste your time multiplying 19 by 19, then multiplying 11 by 11, then after you subtract? It takes you a lot of time. What if they are big number, 500 squared minus 3 million squared? Is that what you are going to do? So this difference of two squares will actually help us a lot. Instead of stressing ourselves saying 19 times 19, we keep the answer, and saying 11 times 11 and keep the answer, then taking the subtraction. Look at what we just do. You've now learned from difference of two squares that whenever this is subtraction and the powers are double, you can call it 19 plus 11 into 19 minus 11. That's just it. And 19 plus 11 will give us 30 times 19 minus 11 will give us 8. Now you multiply 3 times 8 is 24. Then you add this 0. The answer is 240. So this is application of difference of two squares in doing some simplification without wasting of time. So today I want you to come off the fear you have for mathematics and the difference of two squares. You've actually seen that difference of two squares is not a hard nut to crack. Thank you so much and God bless you for viewing. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Follow me on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok. My names there are Esomnofu Online Maths. Thank you.